Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about AutoCAD 3D mirror because AutoCAD 3D mirror it's create on 3 point. Basically, click the 0.00 point, then x-axis also create, then y-axis. So mainly 3 point click, then after get mirror. So let's start how to get the mirror. First of all, when I click the any object right now, so I have go to make this object. First of all, make the line here. When I get line and select this component, when I make the rectangle directly, we have create the rectangle also. Then I will go to provide 2000 and also get 2000. So here we can see that this is make the rectangle right now. When I small zoom fit, then also go to extrude right now. Here the extrude. So when I get the select extrude here, then how much extrude and provide the 3000. When I get 3000 extrude right now, then after move isometric view, visual style, go to visual style, and this is isometric. It's like make the extruded here. When I get any design, so first of all I get selection in view here. When I get select front view, I have get front view. Then also I have go to make the any circle here. So when I create the circle in point right now, here make this circle, okay, not the center. When I click first line, then the line has been joined here. Look at this. When I get start circle, the circle has been joined here. Make particular and delete. So here we can see that when I get the fillet chamfer, whatever it needs our diagram. So when I get provide the chamfer fillet, when I get provide the fillet also. So how many distance we will provide? So when I firstly decide the fillet basically, so when go to enter the fillet and R enter, when I provide R enter, then radius we will provide 150 and select this corner here, this corner, and also click this corner. Select this corner, enter right now. Look at this here, the fillet basically. Then also get same thing is here, this corner to select this corner, enter. So it's like that. Make the here fillet. When I get the fillets, then after move 3D design, 3D isometric view, here 3D isometric view. When I change the other here we can change another thing. So easy way of when I go to extrude right now, in here we can see that this is extruded right. When I click the extrude and apply the extruded command, here we can see that apply extruded. And how much when I get a exit right now, this one and this one, we will provide 300. So it is create 300 extruded. When I provide the, when I go to provide 3D design in AutoCAD, so when we are move wireframe here, visual style, when go to visual style, This is visual style when I apply the shaded here, like convert the 3D part of 3D part of AutoCAD 3D design. So when I get the mirror right now, according to mirror I have create, so it is make the select according to line here. This is the 3D polyline. When I create 3D polyline and also make one line and also make second line, I have go to mirror according to this line. So when we will enter right now mirror here, enter the mirror, then select all component in 3D design, then again press the enter command, then also click one point, then also click second point, then also click third point, then after enter right now, this is create the rectangle here and mirror here according to face. When I get again, I will go to mirror right now. When I select this whole component, okay, then after I will apply the mirror this point to this point and also enter this point and enter here. So it is very easy to mirror in AutoCAD 3D design. Look at this top view. When I get the top view here, so it is like that the line has been created this way. It is make the any mirror right now. But if I want get the line has joined, is line has joined is again top view, the line is deleted right now and also get mirror is deleted right now. So here we can see that mirror has been removed. When I will go to mirror is also delete here. When I go to mirror right now, so how is it possible? When first of all 3D polyline has been created here this way, okay, then exit right now, then after go to isometric view, then again apply the 3D polyline here, apply 3D polyline, and right now when I get the apply and upward direction we will go for. So generally when I want mirror here, so first of all make the 3 point, so this one and this one and this one. When I get the mirror right now, when I move mirror and select mirror here and select all object and go to enter, then it is 1 point also and second point also and third point also, and after enter. So look at this, it is very easy to create whatever in our line and make for mirror here. When again I will show you any view here, then I will again top view, then also I have go to create the mirror right now. When again I will show you 3D polyline, so when I get the apply 3D polyline, and start from here this side, and this line is going to be removed. So when again I will show you 3D isometric view, Here the 3D isometric view when again show you, and I'm going to mirror right now. Again I will select this component, and also I want get select this component and this one. Okay, so both of us selection right here, then go to mirror and select the 3 point basically. So when I go to select this one, this single point, and also click this point and again go to top view, then after enter. So look at this, same diagram has been mirrored to 4 sides according to this 3 point and this line. So today has completed this session in AutoCAD 3D mirror, and thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe our channel.